If you have a YouTube channel and the thought of creating a funnel to send your viewers to makes you want to poke both of your eyes out, I want you to watch this video because I'm about to show you one of the simplest funnels that you can create in less than an hour that will help you build your email list and allow you to talk to your subscribers in a way that you haven't thought of before. And the funnel that I am talking about is a public Skool community, and I'm going to use my Skool community, Pick Your Online Business, as the example. What I'm going to show you in this video is exactly what happens when people watch my videos on YouTube and when they come to this particular community. So the first thing is this: they join the group and they answer these 3 questions, and this is how I build my email list. What is your preferred email list? And then how did you hear about us? Skool has an attribution system, but I don't fully trust it yet, so I want them to tell me directly. And then I ask them a question about their online business and what they want it to do for them. Like, what is the outcome that you want? Then they join the group for free. And once they're inside the group, a few things happen. The first thing that happens is they get sent a DM, and I'll show you what that looks like right here. And it's very simple, which is, hey, name, welcome to PYOB. Quick question, do you already have a business idea you're working on, or are you still figuring out which direction to go? That helps me qualify them because I'm going to have a conversation with them in the DMs, and also I'm going to be emailing them. The other thing that happens, which is really important, and I have a Zapier integration that's turned on right here, is they are now getting sent to my email list in Go High Level, and I send them through an email sequence that points them directly to the classroom. I want them to start right here at step 0 and go through all of these steps in order. The members really seem to like these steps in order, going from step 0 to step 4. And then I have a bonus lesson in here as well, which is the hack I'm going to show you in just a minute. But before we do that, I just want to go back to the settings and make sure that you understand that this is a public Skool community, which is down here. Anyone can see what's inside, but only members can post. So anyone can come into this group, land on this page right here, and they can see inside the community. They can see all of the posts. They can see all of the stuff inside of the classroom. They can actually look at all the lessons. They can even look at the calendar, but they can't interact. They can't post. And the second that they do want to interact is when this pops up right here. They get sent to this page and they get prompted to join, which happens quite often. So here's what I do. I will make a YouTube video. I'm on my channel right now, and I will drive traffic to that free community. And more specifically, I will drive them to certain sections of that free community. And one of the best examples I have is this video right here. This AI prompt, build your online coaching business in 21 minutes, step by step. So when I click on the video and you go through it, there's a section where I say, hey, you can get the prompt for free by commenting the word prompt. And you'll notice right here, comment prompt, and I'll send you the coaching business AI prompt for free. So someone responds prompt, and then I thank them, and then I send them this link, which takes them directly to this page right here, which this is a landing page. In a private community that is paid, you cannot do this. This is a literal landing page. I've got a video, I have the lesson, I have the prompt, what it helps you do. I have the actual prompt that they can copy and paste into ChatGPT. And then I have a bonus prompts section. And if they want the best prompts that I've ever made, they click this and it takes them to this page right here. And this is the bonus section I referenced earlier. So another landing page with a Loom video, very simple. And then I tell them to download the prompts and make a copy. So when they click on this, then they will be prompted to sign up for the group. And if they want these prompts, they'll sign up for the group. And you have to remember the flow. They first went to this section right here. They watched the YouTube video. They got some value from it. They want the prompt because they commented. They came in into the group here. They tried this prompt out, and then they went here and grabbed the bonus prompt section, or they signed up for the group. I remind them that it's free. So I put the link to go to the about page right here and sign up for the group. And again, this is the view that they will see. I don't have to build out a long funnel and Go High Level or ClickFunnels or anywhere else. Like, this is the funnel. And then once they're in here, I have DM conversations with them. So they get the auto DM, and then I'm speaking to them. As I'm qualifying them and as I'm talking to them, I'm sending them to my other groups. And I'll click on my profile here. I have multiple communities. So I have the free community where I funnel the majority of my traffic to. And then I have Mindset School, which is a low ticket community where I help you get your first or your next paid school member. And I get on a 20-minute call with you. Or I send them to my workshop community, which is YouTube to School, which is a one-time fee community. This is not recurring revenue. And I do workshops every 2 weeks in here. And then I have upgrades inside of this community to my high ticket coaching program. But it all starts with this group right here, PYOB. Now, as a YouTuber, you should know that when you create YouTube videos, and they are of high value and people are spending time with you, a lot of the times they will skip the free stuff and they'll go straight to the paid stuff. So I definitely have the links to my paid communities on my YouTube channel. As you can see here, I have Mindset School and I have my free community as well in here. And then on my homepage, which I recommend everyone doing, is to make sure that you have your links right here, put them in here. I have 3 of them, and then make sure that all of your videos have your links. Every single one that I do has the links to my free community. So that funnel right there works really well. I don't have to build anything separate. I don't have to build landing pages. I can just send them directly to the community, and they can take a look inside and they can decide if they want to join. And then once they join, I talk to them in the DMs. I send them emails that point them back to the community, because here's the mistake that most community owners make is once a member joins, if they've never been to a Skool community before, a lot of the times they'll sign up and they'll never come back again. So the emails pointing them back to the community increases your chances of engaging with them in that short time window when they first sign up. That entire tech stack that I mentioned, which is the Skool community, I'm on the $99 per month plan, and it's a public Skool community. You could definitely use that same strategy with the $9 per month hobby plan. You just have to make sure that the Skool is set to public. You just won't be able to auto DM your members. And if you don't have a lot of members right now, that's totally fine. Just make sure that you message them when they get into the community. And don't just message them once. You have to message people multiple times. You have to remind them about your stuff. In that video that I showed you where I gave the coaching prompt away for free, I went back into those comments after I sent the link and I said, hey, did you try the coaching prompt? You have to remind people, and you have to remind them a lot. Now, if you're making YouTube content and you want to open up a Skool community, but you're not sure what to offer them yet, watch this video right here where I help you do it for free.